Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an alternator on a Volkswagen Jetta. First, gather your essential tools, including a wrench set, socket set, and a serpentine belt tool. Make sure you have a new alternator that is compatible with your specific Jetta model. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench before proceeding with any work. Next, you'll need to remove the serpentine belt. Use a 16mm wrench or a specialized belt tensioner tool to release the tension, then carefully slide the belt off the alternator pulley. After that, disconnect all electrical connectors and the main power cable from the alternator. Finally, remove the 2 or 3 mounting bolts, usually 13mm, that secure the alternator to its bracket. With the old alternator unbolted, carefully maneuver it out of the engine bay. This might require some wiggling or prying. Now, take your new alternator and carefully guide it into position within the mounting bracket. Secure it by reinserting and tightening the mounting bolts. Once the alternator is physically in place, reconnect all electrical connectors and the main power cable, ensuring they are snug and secure. The final steps involve reinstalling the serpentine belt, making sure it's correctly routed and seated on all pulleys. Then, reconnect the negative battery terminal and tighten it firmly. Once everything is reconnected, start your Jetta and check for proper charging system operation. You should see a voltage reading around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. This confirms your new alternator is working correctly. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle runs smoothly. Also, for ultimate comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, plus other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.